So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to convert SpayLater to GCash. So first, you need to open your Shopee, and once you're on the Shopee, make sure to log in and go to the Me section, which is located at the bottom right corner. And once you're in, you will see the under My Wallet section is the Shopee Pay, coins, SpayLater, and the vouchers. So you just have to click on the SpayLater, and under the SpayLater, you will see your available credit, which is in this case, I have 30,000 on my credit. So after you see your available credit, just go back to the home page and you will see the scan icon located at the top left corner. You just have to click on that one. And as you can see, a scanner which is already presented on the screen will pop up, and make sure that you get your QR code on GCash and scan it for you to able to convert your SPayLater onto the GCash.